looking at Industry 4.0 solutions, I looked at my entire history as a control engineer and then plant manager and so forth. So in particular with data quality, everything that I had to do when I was supporting a unit, I spent half the time mining data to figure out what data was good that would actually help me solve the problem. So the data quality problem is very difficult because if you're working in continuous processes, energy, oil and gas, chemicals, you have thousands of data points. And across the company, you're going to have millions of data points. But to actually look at everything is just an insurmountable task. And even if you have teams that are mining the data and looking for problems, you can't look at everything. It's too much. It's not scalable. When we look at APERIO and solutions that are focused on data quality, it makes the analysis easier for the engineers to understand what they're looking at.
So sensor health and data quality have been areas of focus for Covestro for several years. Our journey into sensor health started with investigating redundant sensor pairs in safety applications because we found that the most relevant. We wrote some in-house stuff, but we quickly realized that we couldn't scale that to the level that we needed to, right? And when you think about the fact that we have 500,000 other PI tags representing sensors that are important to us, we saw the need for a solution that would allow us to do this at scale. When you're trying to evaluate if your asset is failing, you need to make sure that the sensors that are feeding you that information are also healthy, right? And that's where we feel APERIO can come in and give us insights into our sensors so that we can trust that and then look at our larger assets and determine if something needs to be done.